Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. For the ones who are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Ruchitha. I'm a civil engineer. I would appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, coming back to the video. As you already know by the title, it's gonna be a cooking video. Yay! I'm so happy. Finally, I'm doing cooking video. I know you guys must be excited. I am actually a pretty good cook, pretty good. Okay, so let's roll into the video. I am pretty sure everybody loves chips. Not everybody, at least most of them. All the childrens, all the adults, everybody loves it. But everybody knows it's very unhealthy. But still, we love so much that we don't care it's unhealthy or whatever it is. I love orange color lace a lot. I am pretty sure everybody has their own favorite color of lace. But I know it's not healthy, and though I eat very often, still I feel that it's not healthy and it's oily, etc. So I thought, why not make it healthy? Okay, so that's why the name came up as paneer chips. Actually, this is my sister's recipe. I just modified it a little bit, so it's my recipe now. I'll just quickly tell you what all the ingredients are there. You just take 10 to 15 minutes to prepare it. Not a big hustle and all. So come on, let's see what are the ingredients. The main ingredient, paneer. You can use of any brand, fresh paneer, any sort of paneer, whichever you use daily. I am using this one. It's a milky mist. Make sure it's fresh. See the manufacturing date and get that one, fresh one. Next up is you need ketchup, any kind, any flavored ketchup. I have two kinds. This is tomato normal and this is hot and sweet. So both will be nice. I like both of them. So ketchup both of them. Next up, this is chili flakes. It's optional. If you like spicy things, then you can go for chili flakes, or else you can just ignore it. So next up is oregano. This is the main ingredient. So it will make the whole chips taste different. Give it a different touch. Next up is my favorite, cheese. Yay, cheese, cheese, cheese. Okay. For the ones who all love cheese, go hit the like button. Okay, so cheese is also optional, but you can have it. Main ingredients are actually paneer, ketchup, and oregano. The other chili flakes and the cheese is optional. If you want, you put it. If you love cheese, then put lots of it. That's it. Come on, let's go prepare now. That's it for the recipe, guys. I hope you all loved it. Go do try it now and let me know in the comments section below how it was and etc. You don't have to be a cooking expert actually, so do try, everybody. Now I welcome you all to a special segment of the video. I thought why not just give a health tip at the end of every video. Today's health tip is for cough and cold. If you have severe cough and cold and it's lasting for you a month or a month and a half, then this is for you. Just it's very simple. Before going to bed, just take little milk, boil it, and add little turmeric to it. Then turn off the stove. After which only you have to put little jaggery and drink hot. That's it. Just within 2 days, the cold and cough will be gone. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Do try the recipe out. I'm so excited for you guys to try it. Okay, so I'll see you next Tuesday as usual. Do subscribe to my channel and like, share, and comment. Until then, have a great week. Take care. Bye bye, guys.